the time is right now unique to do this. There are factors enabling the AI, which is the autonomous data collection and 3D digital twins, which are happening on a daily basis in any job site, is going to enable the acceleration of the AI. And one of the AI is called computer vision, which is autonomous remote sensing. So computer vision is constantly collecting the data. And one example is a technology that's very prominent in mining, drilling, and blasting is any remote camera or remote sensing device, which are installed on equipments or in drones as well. And these images can be gathered not only by a variety of sensors, but also numerous specific devices. And these sensors could include infrared, hyperspectral, magnetic data as well, even photographs, and many more different sensors. The devices can also collect data from satellites, cameras, drones, and your smart drills as well, which are equipped with generating huge amounts of valuable data that can be utilized to understand and interpret true geology. So the machines are playing more important role in your the perfect ton outcome here. You can do at each step. You apply at site surveying, where you can have your 3D digital twin, but the same data can be utilized now to understand the geology by automated detection using AI, then further expanding it to how you can use that to better interpret the drilling scenarios or plans, and then the blasting, moving on to the processing side, which is understanding the fragmentation. It is useful for the AI. All these data sets that's getting generated from remote sensing, that's what it makes such a valuable addition to your toolbox.